something with your head. Done kinda crazy, boys are tasty, and people say I don't want to.
In this video, my group will tell the storyline of the film entitled City of Ember in 2018. This film tells about the stage of a city that is isolated from the outside world. They use a generator as a power source to illuminate the millions of light in the city. However, after 200 years, the generator starts to weaken and threatens everyone living in the city. I'm curious about the whole storyline. Watch it until the end, okay? This film tells the story of city called Ember. The city is located underground. Ember City was created and designed by architects, scientists, and professors to protect future generations when the world is headed for destruction. Seeing the sign of the destruction of the world, these people built an underground city with the capital of a very large generator. The founders of Ember City kept an instruction to get out of Ember City and a card in a box. Then, the box will be given to the mayor who served in Ember City. The box is set with a high level of security, so it can only be opened for 200 years. Within 200 years, it is hoped that the Earth will be safe and suitable for human habitation. They can be sure that within 200 years, the Earth will be ready to be repopulated. It's just a prediction or hope for the founders of the City of Ember. From year to year, the box keeps changing hands, from one mayor to the next. Then more time passed until the following years the box was forgotten. The world was getting more and more destroyed and slowly the box opened. It begins with a teenager named Dune, who has a high concern for the City of Ember, with a strong desire to repair a broken generator. At that time is the day when the assignment takes place. The new generation will be given the task when they are old enough and are expected to work together to defend the City of Ember. It shows a girl named Lina who is running in a hurry. She is late for school where the place is used for the assignment out.
Each child who takes part in assignment is required to choose a paper that has been prepared. The paper contains a work or task they have to do. Lina got a job as plumber while Dune served her as a messenger. They both get an assignment that is not in accordance with what he wants, so they decide to switch jobs. Lina and Dune are now very happy with their respective tasks. Dune then confided his new job to his father, and his father used to give him a gift in the form of a multi-purpose key that he could use at work later. The first day of work began. Lina and Dune got to their respective place of work. Lina excitedly headed from the greenhouse and delivered a messenger to the first person named Clary. When Lina delivered the messenger, suddenly heard a voice asking for help from outside, and then they come to her. Because what he did have violated the law, he was finally caught by the officer and put in the distance. Lina finds something that fell from the man who was caught earlier, and she takes it to the ward. He gets a mentor named Sul who was working in the plumbing sector for 20 years. Sul explains what tools are in there, until finally Sul falls asleep. When the Sul door leads to the door, Dune walks around and finds a generator holder he cannot open. Finally, Dune took a paper containing a map from Sul's shirt pocket. The map indicated that there was another way to the generator, and Dune followed the instruction from the map. However, it turned out that he inside entered the storage room, where no one was allowed to enter the storage room until finally Dune was forcibly expelled by the people who worked in the storage room. All the light of the City of Ember began to flash, and always went to the city was pitch black.
In the midst of darkness, Lina met with Dawn, then told what happened to the man who was arrested earlier, and because of that, they began to think that there was a way out of the city of buckets. Lina decided to go home. Lina herself lives with her grandmother and sister named. Arriving at home, she met her grandmother and was confused by what she was doing. It turned out that Lina's grandmother was looking for something important, and Lina accidentally found a box that her grandmother was looking for. Lina was curious about the box. However, her grandmother did not remember anything about it, and finally Lina took the initiative to find out about the box. Meanwhile, Dawn, who was at work, was confused by what had happened when the engine and the generator room caught fire. Lina continued her journey. This time, she was assigned to deliver a message to the mayor. Lina then appointed the hall to deliver the message. When Lina walked into the mayor room, he is so with a painting of the mayor of the bucket from the beginning to the present, and it turned out that Lina is a descendant of the 7 mayors who have served in the city of Ember. Therefore, it is not surprising that the mysterious box that was her earlier had now been found at Lina's high house. The mayor then conveyed a very secret message, and the context of the message were that the ship was ready. Lina's grandmother had a distress for a long time until finally her grandmother did before she could explain what was special about the box. Lina also promised that she would find out about the box. Lina found a board and saw the paper that he had put together earlier, and it turned out that Dawn remembers one thing. He then invited Lina to saw it and took Lina to the storage room to open a history book which only the mayor could open. They also found the same writing between the paper and the box and the book. When they were about to read it, suddenly a guard was there who checked the room, and they immediately fled.
Then they went into a room that was locked in the paper room, but their action failed again because there were people being chased by a large animal. While walking down the paper room, they meet the animal, and the animal immediately chased them. Luckily, they managed to escape from the animal chase. Lina accidentally saw an inscription on Dawn's helmet said it was Mayfleet, and it turned out that Mayfleet itself was the name of Lina's father. Automatically, the helmet belonged to her father from the information obtained by Dawn. Her father, Lina, had died from drowning. Then Lina approached Clary, or a friend of Lina's parents, who worked at greenhouse, and asked about his father. Clary also explained why Lina's father drowned. It turned out that her father was a five worker who had tried to escape by walking along the river, but unfortunately that attempt failed and they died. Lina finally decided to tell the mayor about the box. On the way, she met with her friend who Phil and Lina approached her. It turned out that her friend was carrying a lot of canned food, and Lina was suspicious because the city of Embers never produced canned food at all. Then her friend said that she got all of it from her boyfriend who works in the storage room. Lina approached Dawn to told him, and for the second time Lina and Dawn tried to open the storage room until they finally managed to open the door. There they were surprised by a lot of canned food and drink in the storage room when many townspeople felt hungry and ran out of food stock. In fact, in the room there was the mayor, who was sleeping in his chair while holding a can of food. They realized that the mayor had lied to all his citizens.
Dawn heard his father's voice on Lina's father's communication machine, and it turns out that his father and also have tried to get out of the city of Amber, and Dawn increasingly convinced that there is a way out of the city of darkness.
Lina went to meet the mayor, but the mayor forced Lina to give the box to him. Just as Lina was about to be suddenly the light flash then went out, and of course it was a crime for Lina to escape. When Lina was about to jump out, she took the card from the mayor's pocket because the card was similar to her card in her box. And as a result of the incident, Lina and Dawn finally become the mayor's target. 3 hours then managed to escape from the mayor's men. Finally, they both met at the grand house. They were trying to find a way out of that trap. Then Lina sold a tool which turned out to be the tool her father used to get out of Amber City. Tool serves to knock down the wall. Finally, they managed to penetrate the wall and arrive the hiding place. Lina saw the card that she took from the first mayor, and it turns out that the scared saw something bring the generator symbol. They decided to go to the generator room and trick Poppy with him. He gathered and tried to open the door to the generator, but did not ever. And Lina realized that the paper in the box had a resemblance to the Dawn trace. Lina told him that there was a door behind the store locker. And sure enough, they also followed the interaction in the locker paper, which received like a bot that followed its path to the generator room. To be able to pass Ferris wheel, they must follow interaction, and it is with they must enter room number 1, which is an emergency room. Finally, they managed to get into the room. They had to follow the steps one by one to be able to run the first wheel. However, when they were setting up the second wheel, they unfortunately did something because the wheel was jammed and the emergency alarm sounded. So, Will was fast asleep, finally woke up and went straight to the jam mill to fix it.
Don't panic and immediately out of her soul and the have internet of that the child he always used the war and give him a multiple skill at the head got from his father. It is turned out that the will do whooping again. The resident and the mayor were holding a greeting were surprised by what they saw on when the mayor was about to run away, who Yosef and the fighting of Hill still was faced hit him ring of the place. Soon that the Dawn to leave immediately and allow himself to control the mail. Finally, Dawn, Lina, and Poppy went by both down the river in the dark. Well, in the position of mayor arm, he was running in hungry, for fear his being found by the resident Amber. He went to his hiding place, namely the storage room, and it's there of that in the storage room there was angry alert animal, ready to eat him. Turn back, the bridge is the right leading to the earth. Surprise are ripping out of the earth. Surprised, Lina was very desperate because Elsa encountered with darkness. Nothing. Driven from in the kitty of the box. When the generator went off with is not ready, Lina and the Dawn and Poppy finally fell asleep. But son, they were weakened by the beautiful light of the sun ring behind the hill. Seeing this, they were very happy and head home again. Lina that tried to tell the countess of the city of embers of the old war and how they get out of her the string of the rod introduced of a rock, and that drive into a hell war. It was clear the action of the city of Basque, and it turned off the message the following fans, namely, don't father.